Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters. You're very welcome. And I want to say welcome also to my returning supporters. You're also very welcome. Well, I get a request from a friend in UK, Tenchi Arizonia. And he had a little problem. He couldn't tie a bandana, like the one I have on my head. Well, it's not complicated. It's very simple. Well, I might take these off first, okay? And I hate to be without a bandana, okay? But I show you how to tie a bandana. I have another one. A bandana is a square one, okay? What you do is grab the corner of the square bandana and you fold it. And you can decide how far down you want it. If you want it equal with that end, you can have it. Or like this. It depends on, but I prefer to have it a little bit longer in the neck. So I keep it that way. Then you put it over your head. And you got the tail back. And you tie actually a reef knot. So simple is that. Okay. A reef knot. Well, it's easy. Simple. Right over left. You pull and left over right. Simple, okay? Because that is the best knot to do this, okay? So we do this one more time. You have this square bandana. And fold it like this in a triangle. Put it over your head. Stretch it behind your head. And adjust in the neck. And done. So simple as that. Okay? Okay, Tenchi. I hope you get this, and I hope you learned something from this video. Please, Tenchi, leave a comment if you have learned something on how to tie a bandana on your head. It's easy. Okay? So, I have to jump off now because I have things to do. And as I always say, stay safe, be prepared, and I will see you guys in the next one. ShadowScoutSwede out.